All right, I'm gonna try to make this a short video, but just want to show a discovery I've made with the Southern Light LED switch panel. So hey, I'm a big fan of y'all's products. I'm really happy with how this stuff has gone, but I purchased y'all's Ultimate panel last year, and it worked fine, but at some point I was getting a ground where I'd be shocking myself if I touched my boat. And I spent years, well, not years, just a year, the whole year, trying to trace every single one of my accessory lines. And finally, I think today I figured it out. And before I did that though, I was thinking, you know what, I'm just gonna redo everything, and I bought a new panel thinking that maybe I did something wrong, but this is what I found. So this is the original panel. I disassembled it just because I'm trying to figure out what's going on. But what I found is happening is this panel is grounding into the housing itself. And when that happens, it's going into the mounting screw. And then I had this mounted on the aluminum. I figured out that that's what is grounding my boat. And so let me see if I can get this on film. So I have my meters hooked up to my battery. We're showing 0. Let me try to see if I can do this. There we go. All right. And you can see that voltage jumping up there. So 10 down to 0. Doing this mounting at 10 down 0. So, no big deal. I was like, okay, maybe something happened with this one, whatever. So I bought a brand new one. So like this, literally, you can look at my orders. Like I just ordered this like 2 weeks ago. Here's the box. This is the brand new switch panel. And let me go ahead and I'll unplug. So here's the old one. I'll unplug it. And I'm gonna plug in the brand new one. Just give me a second. Okay, new one's plugged in. I even have let's see, I'm gonna disconnect, make sure batteries, everything's turned off, but I have the meter hooked up. This is the brand new meter plugged in. Here's my gauge. And let's see, get to focus. There we go. So all that is the mounting screw coming out. 12 volts. 12 volts. This is brand new. So I'm happy that I finally figured out what's going on, because I've spent a really long time trying to figure this out. But I do with Southern Light. I do want to figure out, like, hey, I mean, I've spent like $1,000 on this stuff. Maybe this is defective, and there's some defective ones or whatever. But I'd like to talk to somebody and figure it out. Thanks.